Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Christopher Ward the 12X in titanium. As it is a halo watch for a brand still not familiar to all watch enthusiasts, let's start with the Christopher Ward itself. It is an independent British watchmaking company established in 2004. From the beginning, their watches were available only through the internet, with no brick and mortar boutiques, though there is one showroom in London open upon appointment. The release of the 12X marks another of the brand's significant anniversaries. It was 10 years ago when their first in-house movement debuted. The SH21 has a modern architecture with a twin-barrel arrangement. Not only it boasts a full 5-day of power reserve, that's 120 hours, but the twin barrels are crucial for the precision of keeping the time. With a single barrel, the release torque varies depending on the amount of power reserve left. It is high at the beginning and quite low at the end, which impacts the escapement. It is more balanced with twin barrels, and thus the SH21 is a CUSC-certified chronometer. And here we are. When the watch is all about its movement, why not show it through a skeletonized, minimalistic dial and an exhibition case back? Other than that, the 12X looks a lot like its more affordable family. The case is made of grade 2 and 5 titanium with an integrated bracelet. The bracelet has a butterfly clasp with an on-the-fly micro-adjustment mechanism, which is still rare even in high horology. The watch is 41 millimeters wide and 12.3 millimeters thick. It weighs just 102 grams, not only because titanium is lighter than stainless steel, but also its skeletonized dial means less material is used to build this watch. Yet lightweight construction doesn't compromise its toughness. The 12X is still water-resistant to 100 meters with a screw-down crown. The price is €5,220 on the bracelet or €4,850 on a custom rubber strap. But you can't buy it right away. Rather, you can pre-order it, and you will receive the watch in November 2024 with 5 years of warranty. If you don't like it, you can return it within 60 days and get a full refund. But if you like the design, yet you are not willing to pay around $5,000 for a Christopher Ward, the regular 12, powered by trusted Sellita SW200-1, and with interesting choice of sizes and dials, is available from €1,095 right away. At this price point, Christopher Ward delivers truly impressive value.